Hello everyone! Today I am drawing picture of beautiful lipsticks. Let's draw in color together. First I am drawing the base of lipsticks. Have you ever drawn the picture of lipsticks before? It's very easy lipstick drawing. I love drawing lipstick. Now I am drawing the upper part of lipsticks. Do you like makeup? I like applying lipstick very much. Drawing is too much fun. Let's draw lips. Now I am drawing a flower. Let's draw a heart together. Here I am drawing a smiley. It's time to add some rainbow colors in it to make it look more magical. Purple color. Green color.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Pink color.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
Blue color.
Loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to
Pink
my loo.
color.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Orange color.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost
Red color.
Skip to my loo, Lulu. Skip to my loo, Lulu. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Lulu, skip to my loo, Lulu. Skip to my loo, Lulu. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Wow, these are looking amazing. See you on the next video.